Life is full of lines, deadlines, dotted lines, endless lines, and eventually unwanted fine lines and wrinkles. But it doesn't have to be. Discover Tempsure Envi by Cynosure and enjoy tighter, smoother, younger-looking skin. In just a few gentle treatments, get the results you want. It's easy, safe, and completely non-invasive. Our patented technology targets and regenerates collagen without harming surface skin. And with no recovery time needed, no one will notice your treatment. Just the beautiful result. It's safe for all skin types and all levels of sun exposure, so it fits perfectly into your beauty maintenance routine all year. Tempsure Envi by Cynosure. Beautiful skin. Beautifully simple. Schedule your treatment today or learn more at beautifullysimple.com.